Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Sonia Gandhi's public rally in Goa cancelled. Congress bigwigs unable to pull up sufficient crowd, claim sources. Rain in Sattari and Bicholi, reason behind cancelling the meet, reasons John. Church circular will not have any impact. Minorities with BJP. Drug nexus to be probed by independent agency. Sripad Naik fires on all guns. Nasnoda Block Congress member Satish Gaonkar lodges complaint against President John Fernandez, says John abused him. John says, I don't care. Constable of Goa police assaulted on duty. Accused Theodore Miskita brutally assaults Constable Sagar Naik, fractures his leg. And Goa complete clean sweep in South Zone 2020 competition. Sagun Kamath and Harshad Gadekar top. Goan cricketers face national test. Now news in detail. It's a major blow and a moment of disgrace for the state Congress. Congress President Sonia Gandhi's Goa convention has been cancelled. Sources claim that meeting was cancelled as Congress leaders are unsure of crowd gathering and response for Gandhi's meeting. However, John Fernandez cited Sattari and Bicholi rainfall to be the reason behind cancelling the meet. Decision was taken by Saturday evening in an emergency meeting. Central Observer Siddharth Patil was in Goa to oversee preparations for the meeting. Goa Pradesh Congress Committee had booked Kampal ground. Congress has released its manifesto without taking any concrete stand on Mopa Airport.
In what can be termed as shame for Goa Congress, the party cancelled scheduled public meeting of their party president, Ms. Sonia Gandhi. There were apprehensions about the meeting as many of the local Congress leaders were unsure about the response of people to the meeting. When Prudent contacted GPCC President John Fernandez, he had a lame reason to explain this dismal situation.
आमची मीटिंग आसली 8 तारखेर जिमखाना ग्राउंड पणजे जे काल मड वादो आयले बिचोली आणि एक सत्तरी आमचे 4-5 हजार लोक थंय येवपाचे थंयसान येवपाचे आसले मॅडमांची मिटिंगेक आमचे लोक आणि काँग्रेसमॅन वर्कर्स थंय इन्वॉल्व आसा इन रिलीफ वर्क म्हणून जेन्ना आमी हायकमांडाक सांगले अशें अशें चल्लां आमी मिटिंग कॅन्सल करू म्हणून सांगू ना मॅडमीन स्वता डिसिजन घेतलें की आपूण कॅन्सल करता कित्याक थंय काम चलना रिलीफ वर्क चल्ला म्हणून हाका लागून मॅडमीन स्वता ही कॅन्सल केली विजीट आमकां जाय आसली ती आयिल्ली.
Congress was planning to take final decision on Sunday, but considering the situation, the party decided to cancel the meeting in an emergency meeting on Saturday evening. Meanwhile, State Congress has released its election manifesto resolving special status issue, mining issues, dual citizenship and drug menace are the highlights of the manifesto. Surprisingly, the document is silent on Mopa Airport issue.
We want special status category to protect Goanness, the Goan laws, especially which are being diluted by Mr. Pariyakar. And we want to retain the land, especially the Comunidad land, the Gaonkari system and the tribal land of Dangar, Gaonkars and Velips.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Sripad Bao has started firing on all guns now. He discarded church by saying church circular promoting secularism will not create any impact on voters. Sripad Naik has also issued probe into drug nexus case by an independent investigation agency if BJP comes back to power at centre.
Sripad Naik has reacted on circulars issued by church promoting voting for secular party. Naik says party will get more votes from minority communities during Lok Sabha election. Church's circular will not have any effect.
सर्क्युलराचो कांयच उपयोग ना. म्हाका दिसता न्ही की गेल्या फावटी जो आमकां सपोर्ट आशिल्लो मायनॉरिटी कडल्यान ताजे पेक्षा आनी मायज सपोर्ट आमकां मेळटा. कारण हांव प्रत्येक आमी तशें देवळांक वता तशें प्रत्येक चर्चीक वता, मशिदीक वतात आनी ज्या हातूंचे आमचे फादर ज्या हेजे ज्या पद्दतीन ते आमकां आशिर्वाद दितात न्ही खरें मना पासून मागीर तें कळटा न्ही शेवटी. आनी त्यामुळे कसलोच परिणाम ताचेर जावना. आनी तातूंत त्या हातूंत स्पश्ट म्हणिल्लें ना आर्च बिशपान कोण कम्युनल कोण सेक्युलर कांय म्हणिल्लें ना. आनी म्हाका दिसता इतलेंच की आज जर कम्युनल कोण पळयत जाल्यार ह्या आमच्या सगळ्या जाती मदें वाट लावपी भेद घालपी ही काँग्रेस आसा हें लोकांक आज पटिल्लें आसा. आनी म्हणून तांकां म्हणपा आसतलें ते हे कम्युनल हे काँग्रेस आहा म्हणून, भारतीय जनता पार्टी न्ही. सर ना नहीं वो तो अच्छी तरह से बड़े आशीर्वाद देते हैं, छोटे नहीं.
Responding to Congress MLA's allegation on BJP coastal MLAs being involved in drugs nexus, Shripad Naik assured a probe into drug nexus through a special investigation agency.
वो जो ड्रग रैकेटिंग जो कुछ चल रहा है और वो कांग्रेस ने उसको हवा दी थी, हमारी सरकार उसको कंट्रोल और यहाँ से हकालने के लिए कोशिश कर रही है. और इसे आगे जाके सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की ताकत जब मिलेगी, सत्ता मिलेगी, तभी वो इजी होगा, वो हम करेंगे. yes whatever required that we will do. yes.
Shripad Naik also opined that there is no need to shift Navy from Daburi airport.
आमी तांकां नेवी थंयच्यान काडूंकूच शकना. कारण आज मुंबय जो एअरपोर्ट आसा, मुंबय बंदर आसा, ताका बॅकिंग म्हणून गोंयचो एअरपोर्ट नेवी कडेन आसणें आवश्यकता. देशाचें संरक्षण म्हणून आनी म्हणूनच मोपा कडेन वयता, ताका लागून आमी मोपा कडेन वतात.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.